This is Monster Restorer 91, and today I'm gonna change the battery of this my key fob because it's not working. You can see I pressed it and the trunk does not want to go. Then I try to press this one. See, no beat. So we're gonna change it. It's been like I'm already gonna have 3 years with this vehicle. So we're gonna get going. We're gonna change the battery. I'm gonna show you guys how to crack it open, the key fob, without any programming. So this is a 2022 Chevy Malibu, a 1.5 liter LT. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna get the battery and crack it open. Okay, so here's the battery. It's a CR2032. And supposedly it has a bitter taste for the kids in case they wanna put it in their mouths. So supposedly I wouldn't try it. Very dangerous, but it says child secure, better coating, so it has a better taste. So I'm gonna crack the, like I said, the key fob open and change the battery because I need a new one. I struggle to lock the car. Sometimes I press it, it doesn't want to work, or the trunk. I press it twice, it doesn't want to go. So I feel like the battery's already giving out. It works sometimes it doesn't want to work. So I'll try to crack it open and put a new battery. It's only one battery. I bought Duracell. So this, I bought it at Amazon, I believe, like for $10. So I'm gonna get going. Okay, so what you do now is you press this button right here. And you can see right here, this one, the square one, you just press it and then pull. There you go, like that. So now what you're gonna do is pry this one open. Don't put it all the way in. It came out like this, the big one right here, the big hole. So don't put it back in there, just break it right here. See? Like that. So that's how you pry it open. Just be careful. You see, like, this thing comes out, you have to like adjust it, but since it didn't move anywhere, just put it down. This is the top part, this is the button. So you set it down right here, and then you remove this one with the flat screwdriver, which I'll get right now. There's the back part. Okay, so now that I cut it, it says right here to cut with the scissor right here all around this, so I'll just be careful not to cut the battery. So you see the position how it is right here. So that's the same way I have to put it. So the plus sign right here, it goes on the bottom like this, and the clear surface, it goes like that, like this. So this one I just remove it. I didn't have a flat screwdriver, so I'm gonna use a knife. Carefully pry it out. See? So I pry it out carefully with a kitchen knife. So this one, you can see right there, it has a plus sign and the arrow pointing up. So you put this one, the plus sign, with the arrow pointing up, but this way. So plus sign is on the top, pointing up, and then you snap it in. See? It's not that hard. So now, carefully, make sure everything goes in well. It's not crooked. Make sure everything lines up right here. Snap it all around. See? Like that. So it's already locked into place. And now we put back the key. There you go. So there you have it. So now we're gonna test it out and see if it works. Okay, so now we're gonna test it out if it works. So I'm gonna start with the lock. There you go. Now let's try unlock. Okay, now let's try the trunk. Right here, it says twice, press it. Right here. Press it twice. There you go. It's open. So let's try it again. There you go. So let me lock the car now. So there you go. That's how you do it. Easy. You don't have to reprogram it or anything. Brand new battery. So there you go. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.